Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to do a suggestion video on what you should be buying after you get this laptop that I currently own. I've been owning this for probably about almost 2 weeks. I made a video on unboxing it. It's the Nitro 5. I want to get to the point of what this video is about. I came upon some suggestions of what you should be buying after you get this laptop or similar laptops. This laptop only has a 256 gigabyte solid state drive memory card. So that just means that you're not going to have a ton of memory on this. So what I suggest picking up, and these are all budget friendly, because I mean I'm a parent, so I'm not looking to spend thousands of dollars on upgrades and stuff like that. Otherwise, I probably would have gotten a different laptop. But anyways, my first suggestion is Western Digital 1 TB blue My Passport portable external hard drive. It's got enough memory to get you by for quite a bit. The cool thing is that it's portable. It's definitely cheap. You don't have to really install it into your laptop. You just have to, plug it in and then go from there. And it should be simple, especially people like me where you're not really high on the tech side of knowing what you're supposed to do. But this is definitely an easy upgrade right here. $54 on $54.99 on Amazon. You can't beat that. All right, for the second upgrade. So this right here we have the Adamanta. Right here we have the Adamanta 32 gigabyte. It comes with two 16 gigabyte sticks. This is just the one that's compatible with this laptop that I'm currently using, which is the ACER Nitro 5. I'll show you the exact model that I'm using, and this is the exact memory sticks to use for this. I've looked it up, did research already for you guys. It's $180. Definitely pick these up because these are going to help you with opening up a ton of web browsing. You probably have a hard time lagging your computer if you pick these up. Right now, currently, my computer only has 8 gigs, so just think about 4 times the memory, what you could do with that with your brain. I'll give you a second to think about it. Alright, yeah, it's definitely going to help. So, definitely pick these up. My next suggestion is, and this suggestion is going to be for your solid state drive. This one, my computer comes with the 256 gigabyte, like I already said. This one you can actually put where the HDD would go. So you can actually have a total of about 756 gigabyte, and then if you picked up that 1 terabyte, you would have a ton of memory. Your computer would be substantially way faster. You wouldn't be able to really lag on this computer. I mean, this computer will definitely be able to run pretty much almost any game that you're going to throw at it. The graphics card, I would upgrade it, but I'm not too familiar on what you can upgrade to. That one I would probably dig and do some more research. I'm sure there's some videos out there. I didn't find it as something that I'm concerned about just because the graphics card on here is good enough. But anyways, guys, definitely pick this one up. This is the Crucial MX 500 gigabyte. Definitely would upgrade your memory and make it fast. Alright, so if you don't like any of those 3 suggestions that you have so far seen, let me tell you, this website, it's a really good website. A lot of people have put really good reviews on this, so I advise it. Go to crucial.com. I'll put the link down below. It's guaranteed to be compatible with your computer as long as you're putting in the right one. Right down here, you're going to select the manufacturer. I've already selected mine, so I'll show you exactly what my model is, like I was telling you guys earlier that I would show you. And then select the model. So on the next clip, I'm going to show you that I already inputted it. And this is the model that I have exactly, the ACER Nitro AN515-53-55G9. That's exactly what my computer is, and this shows exactly the compatible upgrades. You can do the memory, solid state drive, so it shows you exactly what can fit, what memory you could go to. That's why I was saying the maximum memory is 32 gigabytes, so why don't you just put that in so that you can get the best out of your laptop. Standard memory is 8 gigabytes. It is removable, so that's why you could throw those two 16 gigabytes in there. You could probably just do the 16 at first if you're kind of low on money, and then have 24 and then get by with that, and you probably would actually be fine with it. But why not maximize your memory? And then you can put the storage, SATA 3 6 GB storage, chipset shows you that. So this is a really good website. It shows exactly what to get. It's a little bit more expensive, but you're going to be paying for the brand. The Adamanta, I can't really talk. Ugh, some technical words for technical stuff. Anyways, this is a really good website to get the stuff that you need to get. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys really found this video really helpful. I know that there are some videos out there, but this one I wanted to kind of show you where to go and break it down for you for budget-friendly people. You know, not everybody can afford a $1,500 computer that has everything you need. Sometimes, you know, buying the $600 laptop and just upgrading it slowly is the best thing for everybody. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys on the next video tomorrow. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Definitely click it. I'm definitely trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So help me reach my goal, please, and support this channel as I'm going to be helping you. So I want you guys to be helping me. Thank you.